Hi, Al here. Let me tell you something. I love tea. I wasn't much of a tea drinker until I started to do some research about it. Do you realize that in 2016, it was estimated that Americans consumed almost 84 billion servings of tea, or more than 3.8 billion gallons. The US is the third largest tea importer in the world. Also, tea is the most consumed beverage in the world next to water. Come to find out, my favorite tea is Oolong Tea. There are so many benefits of Oolong Tea. It regulates insulin spike, burns 2 times more than green tea. For example, studies showed the increased energy increased of over 10%, whereas green tea was 4%. Boosts immune system, reverses aging, strengthens teeth and bones, sharpens memory, healthy heart, obesity, osteoporosis, and acne. Certain cancers showed one study found that women who consumed 2.5 cups of tea per day had a 60% reduction in rectal cancer risks, and men who drank more than 1.5 cups have a 70% lower colon cancer risk. Okuma Wu-Long Tea is high concentrated natural premium Chinese slimming tea. It is highly concentrated of oolong with 2,000 milligrams of 100% pure oolong tea per serving. This extreme form of oolong burns fat faster and dissolves fat buildup while removing harmful body toxins. It also produces the highest levels of antioxidants, polyphenols, and catechins. The taste is floral-like orchid notes with a smooth finish. Once again, take action now. Click on the link below for this powerful oolong tea that contains no chemicals, no pesticides, no GMOs, no artificial flavor, and no artificial colors. Also, for more information, absolutely don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep updated on the natural way of life.